By far, our biggest cost-cutting measure was around the consolidation of our data center. And we needed to do that for two reasons. One is, although we are a global company, for a long time we were dealing in many markets globally. However, we managed the business as divisions. And that was fine for a long time. But as we started to globalize our functions, for example, IT and supply chain, it became even more important for us to integrate between the divisions so that we could get work done across borders. So we started off with over 50 data centers around the world. And a data center was anything from a small server room to a very large data center that people are particularly familiar with. Today we have one global data center that runs the entire world. That data center is in Piscataway, New Jersey, and it started out as our corporate data center for just our corporate applications. So as we started our SAP program, which is a program that we started about 15 years ago, migrating all of our subsidiaries, we have over 80 subsidiaries around the world, migrating them onto the SAP platform, we made the decision that as we migrated each subsidiary onto the SAP platform, we would decommission everything else that existed in that subsidiary. So over time, over the last 10 years, we've consolidated to what we have today, which is now one data center. And this data center, for each year, you saved over $10 million in terms of spend. So now today, we're in a situation where this one global data center, we have a much better handle on our disaster recovery situation. So we no longer have to guess, do all 50 data centers around the world, do they have a good strategy in place? We're more effectively using resources. We don't have 50 data centers around the world where we have people manning those data centers, doing the work around that. And we're much better able to leverage our scale and our size. We leverage that in terms of negotiating pricing. Our entire data center is virtually 100% IBM, so we used our third-party partner, IBM, to help us build this data center. It's a state-of-the-art data center. It's a green data center, so it was built with green in mind in terms of energy efficiency, utilization. We also get the latest and greatest technology, and we work with IBM on that. So we do virtualization on storage and our processing, and we're able to leverage that. So we get a really good cost advantage, and we get the most use out of the systems that we do have in place in our Piscataway data center. For anyone else who's looking at cost cutting and looking at the data center for cost cutting, I would say that you need to be relentless in doing it, and you need to do it right away. If you have more than one data center, you need to think about whether or not you have a really good reason to have more than one data center. And the more places that you have, the more you're spending on licensing, the more you're spending on resources, the less utilization you're getting out of your assets. I mean, it's an area of opportunity that is just so simple to go after, and the results are immediate.